Hey everyone, Fergus here from Irish Scent Guy, your independent Scentsy consultant. I've got my Scentsy Club subscription today, so I just wanted to share this unboxing with you. So in my Scentsy Club, I have, well first of all I should say, if you're not familiar with Scentsy Club is a subscription service where you can put items, usually consumables, so things like wax, scent pods, any of the cleaning products, for example, and you can have them delivered to yourself monthly or every second month or every third month. What I love about the Scentsy Club is we have this feature called Always Get My Bar. So long as you keep it in your subscription, Scentsy will always make that bar for you. So that's where things like our semi-annual Bring Back My Bar voting comes in handy, because any nice bars that come back with that, just add it to your Scentsy Club and Scentsy will continue to make those. And I actually have some of the Bring Back My Bars in this one. So let's open this without further ado. Now I haven't opened it fully, I've just literally just cut the tape, but here we go. Now I also in my Scentsy Club have a whiff box. So I'll just show you quickly the whiff box. We're just going to unbox this as well. The whiff box it's like a subscription box present. You never know what's going to be inside it, and Scentsy pick it themselves. Actually, we're going to open this now. Okay, I need a scissors. We have it sealed at the bottom, so we see what's inside this baby, and then I'll do the bars that I have in my Scentsy Club subscription. So straight away, I'm actually going to show you guys. When you open it, you have the Scent with Love. You can use the hashtag Happy Whiffing. Okay, so on the top, we have a little teaser. So this will tell you what's in this month's box, and there's usually some sort of an activity or something inside. So we have Amor, which is love, whiff, Leben, Duften. I'm not going to even try to pronounce the others because they're all in different languages. Okay, Scentsy Whiff Box. This time of year, you're always on the move, taking advantage of the final days of summer with one last road trip before settling back into the routine. In honor of this urge to roam, we've packed your August Whiff Box with some of our favorite on-the-go products, so you can bring Scentsy on your next adventure and fill your life with fragrance anytime, anywhere. Live, love, whiff. Share your unboxing moment with hashtag Happy Whiffing. Okay, this couldn't have come at a better time because I'm actually off on holidays next week. So I'm going to Italy for a weekend. So I'm looking forward to that. Now, with the Whiff Box, if you want to receive it monthly, you can order it on my site. If you want, you can add it to your Scentsy Club subscription so you don't forget it. Alternatively, just order it as a one-off. So let's take off our purple paper. Let's see, just try and balance this, and oh, I see some bars. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, wow. Right. Oh, lovely. Okay, so we have Waves and Wonders. So this is one of the new bars that was in the current spring-summer catalogue, and it's also being discontinued at the end of the month, so if you still want it. Now some of the contents might vary slightly, but there we have it. Oh, I like that one. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is the current scent of the month for August. So I'm just going to have a quick sniff of this one because I haven't actually smelled this one before. Okay, this is very fruity. I like it. Oh, kind of fruity foodie. And it's almost like a hint of pineapple in there. It's a really kind of a happy sunshiny smell. It's a lovely yellow wax as well. Okay, we've got next month's scent of the month tester pot, which is blackberry mint. Oh, this sounds amazing. Okay, let's open this one up and I'll get a smell of it. Okay, it's a very deep scent. I'm not getting much mint out of it though. Let's just give it a quick rub. And it's not like overpoweringly fruity. It's say it might smell even nicer now when I warm it. I have no idea. Something definitely to try out though. Looking forward to warming that. Okay, let's get back to the box. I see a car bar here. So what's the car bar in? Aloe water and cucumber. So I believe this is a lovely fresh scent. So I might try that now in the car. We've also got, okay. So we have a sample of Shimmer Washer Whiffs, which are brand new scent coming in the laundry line. And we have 2 packs of them. Lovely. I'm looking forward to trying those. Okay, so we have a scent circle in apricot vanilla. That smells amazing. Oh, there's something else. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have one of the Disney packs. This is Your Pal Mickey. I actually love this smell. It's very fruity, appley smell. I have it in my Mickey Mouse Scentsy Buddy, so I love this one. So this one is called Your Pal Mickey. And we have some hand cream in Pink Promenade. I love this. I have this shower, the body wash in Pink Promenade. It's one of my favorites, and now I've got the hand cream. And what I love as well about this is it's 80 mils, so it's under the 100 ml limit for traveling, so you can take this in your hand luggage. Now I think that's everything in the box. Excellent. That is a lovely whiff box. What I love then, just on a side note, with the packs, I love putting these into my suitcase because it just makes your clothes smell fresh, especially when you're coming home and you don't have washing facilities and you just have all your dirty clothes from your holiday in your suitcase. This will keep them still smelling fresh. Apologies, my nose is a bit itchy today. So yeah, quick recap then of the scent, the whiff box. So we have 2 samples of Shimmer Washer Whiffs. So these are the ones that go into the washing machine, into the drum itself, and they will just give your laundry a bit of a scent boost. Okay, we have the car bar in Aloe Water and Cucumber. We have the scent circle in Apricot Vanilla. We have Your Pal Mickey for the scent pack. Pink Promenade hand cream. We have the tester pot of Blackberry Mint. We have Sunny State of Mind, which is this month's scent of the month. And we have Waves and Wonders. So wow, what a lovely selection to get for this month. This is like a gift to myself. It feels like Christmas. Scentsy delivery day. Okay, now next part of this. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wanted to see what, usually they give some sort of an activity inside this. So we just check. Okay, what's this? Keep the kids and adults entertained on the go with Road Trip Bingo, Scentsy style. Put the phones away and watch for wildlife, landmarks and more. First to mark every item on the bingo card wins. So we've got little bingo cards that you can mark off for a family road trip. Nice idea. Okay. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have a 6-pack of bars, and these are, some of these are to bring back my bar, and some are just ones that I wanted to put into Scentsy Club because I don't want to lose these fragrances. So first off, this was a scent of the month a few months ago. It's the Tea Leaf and Rose. So if you like rose scents, for example, Simply Rose was out and it came back as a bring back my bar, but it's not available anymore. But if you like those kind of rose, rich floral scents, this one is for you. Oh, I love this one. So I just wanted to add this into my Scentsy Club because I don't want to miss this scent. Okay, let's see. Oh, yes, okay. So another one, this is currently in the catalogue, it's Southern Evening. To me, this smells very, very, very similar, but not exactly the same. But if you like Victor and Rolf's Spice Bomb, this is, very like it. Now, this is being discontinued at the end of the month, so I needed to get this. Needed to get this into Scentsy Club so that they will always make my bar. So I'll just get a sniff of this. It's been a while since I've had it because it was in the catalogue all the time. There was no reason to order it all the time. So, this is a lovely masculine scent. It's kind of a deep. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, I'm so glad I'm always going to be getting this one. There's another few that are around that I want to be voting for when Bring Back My Bar comes back. Okay, now the next 4, these are from the Bring Back My Bar. There's one I'm not 100% sure will I keep it in my Scentsy Club, but the other 3 are. So first off, we have Simply Lemon. So if you just like a plain lemon scent, this is for you. It also mixes well with other waxes. I quite like mixing the French lavender with lemon. So, oh, straight away. Oh, pure lemon. Oh, and it's like sunshine in a bar. I just love, it's not like overpowering lemon, but yeah, oh, I just love it. Kind of reminds me of limoncello. Oh, yes. So glad I got this one now. So I've only got the 1 bar in my club. I didn't want to go overboard and get like, 6 bars or something, but I have this, when did I think I have this coming every 2 months or every 3 months. I can't remember. I'd have to look that up. But yeah, Simply Lemon. Okay, next one, White Tea and Cactus. Now this, when I first joined Scentsy back in 2011, this was in every catalogue up until, I can't even remember when it got discontinued. But when it was showing up in this year's Bring Back My Bar voting poll, a load of my friends were on it. On it like a car bonnet. So this to me smells like, if you go into those posh hotels and they have lovely soaps and they're kind of fresh scents or kind of cucumber or something. This is White Tea and Cactus. So it's that kind of, I call it posh hotel soap. I love it. Okay, next one was Aloes Wood. It's a lovely deeper green, kind of an aqua green colour. So this one, from what I remember, was like a kind of a manly smell. Okay, yeah, it smells like an aftershave or something. I like it. I like it. So glad. It's been a long time since I've warmed this one, so yeah, I'll have to try and remember what it smells like warm. Okay, last one. White Jasmine and Vetiver. Loved this one. So glad it came back. Oh, yeah. This is a very floral one. And kind of sweet. Oh, nice. From what I remember, it was a good performer as well. Nice and strong scent. So yeah. So that's my whiff box for August 2019. And some of my Scentsy Club bars. So these are here for now. There's still, for the Bring Back My Bars, I think there's about, of the 12 that came back, there's 9 still available. The other 3 have sold out. Unfortunately, Simply Lemon is one of them. I can't remember off the top of my head what the other 2 are, but if there's any of those other Bring Back My Bars still available and you want them, either stock up this month while they're still available or get them into your Scentsy Club so that Scentsy will always make your bar. That's everything for now. So as always, like the video, share the video, comment down below, tell me what your favorite scent is. Is there any of your favorites in the Bring Back My Bars, and did you order any of them? I'll talk to you soon, guys.